Welcome! Today we're going to do example 3 in unit 2 for CPP programming. Okay, so this is your starter code. I'm going to put in up here some statements. First one I need to include the IO stream. So I'm going to come over here under 2 and I'm going to put in here pound, include, and chevrons around the word IO stream. Then under using namespace statement, I put in here using namespace standard STD with a semicolon at the end. So now I'm going to declare my variable. So under here, I'm just going to call number 1. I'm going to declare as an integer, and I'm going to put number 1. Now I'm going to put a couple more numbers. Number 2. And number 3. Now if we look over here at our programming, what they're asking us to do is to declare an average variable as well. They're all supposed to be int type. So we'll go here, int average. Okay. So now I've got my number 1, number 2, number 3, and average declared, and they're all of the type int. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the statement set. Store 125 into number 1, 28 into number 2, and minus 25 into number 3. So put in there number 1, and I stored in there 125. Number 2, I'm storing in there 28. Number 3, I'm storing in there minus 25. They're all having semicolons at the end. Now I'm going to, in average, I'm going to put my formula. So put average is equal to parentheses num1 plus num2 plus num3. Then after my parentheses, I put my division symbol and divide by 3, correct? So what's next? Tells me to write C++ statements that output the values of num1, num2, num3, and average. So I put a space in here, and I'm going to put in cout, my chevrons, quotation marks, and in between these quotation marks, I'm going to put num1 equals and go outside the quotation marks, put my couple chevrons in there. I put the num1 variable in there, put a couple chevrons. I'm going to end my line. I'm going to do the same thing for number 2. Cout, couple chevrons, inside my quotation marks, num2 equals need to add a space in here because it won't add a space unless I do. Couple chevrons, num2, couple chevrons, and end the line. Same thing with number 3. See out, couple chevrons, quotation marks, num1, number 3, space, equals, space, couple chevrons, num3, couple chevrons, and end the line. And lastly, I'm going to put in my average, see out, is, space, couple chevrons, average, couple chevrons, and end that line. Now come on down. Now return statement, if I'm going to return the statement, this is what I need to do. To pause it, I want to write return 0. And I put a semicolon at the end, okay? I'm going to run it to see if I've got any mistakes. Looks good to me. Now I'm going to copy all this and put it into Notepad. Go Control A for Control All. Good. Right click copy. Now I'm going to go and grab me Notepad. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to save it. And I'll call this exercise 3. .cpp. Now click Save. See exercise 3 CPP? That's all ready to put in the Dropbox.